Okay, let's start our first step of our tutorial. Set up the new project inside of Unity editor. Okay, in here we're writing Unity Hub. Okay, in here we click on new project. I click on 3D and I say okay, inside of the physical walk folder I click on physical walk VR. Okay, let's create. So it's time to wait for the Unity loadings. I using the Unity editor 2019.3.12. however, you can use the another version, it doesn't matter. Alright, as a default platform in the Unity editor, it is for PC, Mac and Linux, but for our project we need to switch platform to the mobile platforms such as Android or iOS. At first you need to install the module of Android and install the Android SDK and Android JDK. Okay, after this works, you need to come here, build settings, and Android, and switch platform. Okay, let's set up some settings in player setting. In here, at first you need to write your company name, team, and product name. Okay, and also in the resolution and presentation I propose to select the landscape left for the default orientation because it's better for VR. Okay, let's go ahead and we will go to the other settings. In here, for our surface tracking system, we don't need to graphic API Vulkan because it is not for the mobile. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, make sure the name of package name is the same with the company name and product name. Okay, it's that. Okay, for the minimum API level, it needs to be minimum API 24 for Android 7 because surface tracking only works in Android 7 and higher. Okay, and the next step is make sure the Android TV compatibility will check off. Okay, that's it. Our project is ready to work. Okay, let's go to the next step.